I'm Katie, and today I'll be showing you how to make a soy wax candle. This would be a great product to diversify your product lineup. They generally burn 25 to 50% longer than paraffin candles. It also releases the fragrance easier. Now let's get into what you need to make this product. You'll need 94% soy wax, and for this recipe we'll be using 1 pound. We're using 464 premium soy wax. It comes in flakes, making it easier to handle. Today we'll be using a simple jar. You can also use a more expensive container for a higher end looking product. You'll also need wicks. Check out the link in the description to see what wicks we use. There are several wicks and variations available online. Now for the most exciting part, the fragrance. You'll need 6% for this recipe. For each pound of wax, you'll roughly need 1 ounce of fragrance. Out of the 18,000 fragrances here at AFI, I'll be using birthday cake. I was in the mood for something rich. It smells amazing. As far as equipment goes, you'll need a digital scale. You'll also need a steel pouring pitcher, a beaker, a saucepan used as a double boiler on a hot plate, a thermometer, wick stickers, and something to keep the wick centered and straight. Let's get started. First, fill the bottom pan of your double boiler with water. Then place it on the hot plate on medium to high heat. While the water heats, let's weigh our soy wax. Weigh out 1 pound or 94% of wax into your pitcher. Make sure to subtract the weight of the pitcher when you weigh it. From there, place your wax into the double boiler. Now wait until your wax reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit before adding in your fragrance. Once it reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit, add your fragrance. Now just take it off the heat and stir it gently. You're going to want to gently stir it for 2 minutes. This step is important because you want to make sure your fragrance is mixing in well. Now wait until the wax cools down to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to want to do this before pouring this into your containers. Place a wick sticker on the bottom of the wick. Remove the backing and place it firmly into the middle of the container. Now the wax has reached its prime temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. We're transferring this into the beaker for an easier pour. Now we can pour it into the candle jar. Make sure when you're pouring, you leave a 1/4 inch from the top of the jar. Now use your wick holders to make sure they're centered and straight. Once the candle cools, cut the wick to about 1 inch. Make sure you let the candle cure for 2 weeks. This is so you can get the best results for your amazing fragrance. This product ended up costing us about $3, and you can sell it wholesale for about $6 to $7 and retail for about $10 to $15. Thanks for tuning in to another AFI DIY. I'm Katie, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!